Hi, Shannon O'Flaherty here, and I'm absolutely overjoyed to announce the release of my first children's book, and that's Bird Hadn't Heard. And I'm writing under the pen name of Sierra Hamilton for my children's books because my coaching books are under my name. And I'm thrilled because I wrote this book years ago when my kids were little. They're now big, hairy men. And my late mother did the illustrations. So I'm really pleased. And I know she's speaking to me from spirit, very happy that this is finally published and out there in the world. And it's available on Amazon now, amazon.com and amazon.co.uk. And it's for ages 3 to 7. And it's about a bird who can't hear and a kite with no sight and a seal who can't feel, and how they all get together and form a friendship and ask each other for help. And it's about believing in magic so that they can overcome a tricky situation. And it's in rhyme, and it's a lovely story, and all the kids I've given it to thus far have really enjoyed it. So it would make a great Christmas present. Please get yourself a copy, and if it makes you smile, please leave me a review. I think it's really important to believe in magic. And when we think about magic, we think, well, what? Is it a magician pulling rabbits out of a hat? And is it just deceptive things that they're doing with their hands to make us believe things? I mean, when you see magic tricks broken down, you know, it's all just actually tricks. But what about the magic of the universe? The magic of hope, the magic of faith, the magic of nature, the magic of potential, the magic of aha moments, the magic of all the possible opportunities that are out there in the world. All you need to do is go into nature and watch magic happen in every single season. It's amazing. Trees die, the leaves fall off, the branches are bare, they look like they'll never produce again, and then another season goes by and the new life springs forth. It's absolutely amazing. And when there's a fire, everything's burnt and then new life springs forth. And so we can make new life spring forth from anything that we want to create. And it might not manifest in the same way that it always has in the past. Maybe we need to form a new perspective. So this is why I'm so excited to bring my next group of people to Peru next year, September 22nd to October 6th, for another whole kind of magic and a big shift in perception. The mountains in Peru are wide awake, and people who don't even really have any of these kind of interesting extra senses that most of us in this group do, go there and have their head on the side and look up at these mountains and think, what on earth is going on here? Because you can feel the energy. It's a whole different thing. And we go to all of the amazing ancient temples that you're supposed to see. We work with authentic Peruvian shamans and sit in ceremony. Your life will change. You will never be the same again. So I invite you to private message me or give me a call. And if you want to come to Peru, it's highly advised to come with friends because you don't want to outgrow your friends. So I really look forward to hearing from all of you, and have a wonderful, happy Thanksgiving. If you're in the States and celebrate Thanksgiving, I'm really thrilled because I'll be with my father for the first time in over 3 years. And I'll also see my sister and best friend from childhood on this trip. So have a wonderful, wonderful week. I love you all so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.